Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book multiple flights and hotels on Expedia. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a well-known travel website where you can book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages in one place. It's a simple way to plan your whole trip from start to finish. First, go to the Expedia website. Now, click on Flights. Here you can choose from round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Since you want multiple flights, click on multi-city. Now select the number of travelers, such as adults and children. For Flight 1, search for the city or country you are leaving from. Then type in the city or country you are traveling to. After that, select the dates. For Flight 2, enter the city or country you are leaving from. Then, type in the city or country you are going to. Now select the travel dates again. When you're done, click on Search. You will see a list of recommended flights. Click on any option that fits your plan. Now check the details and click on Select. Here, select your second flight and click on it. Then click on Select again to confirm. As you can see, all flight details such as fare, seats, and baggage allowance are shown clearly. Once you're ready, click on Checkout. Here, you need to enter your personal details like full name, phone number, passport, and other required information. Scroll down and double-check everything before moving forward. Now go back to the Expedia homepage and click on Stays. Here, type in the destination where you need a hotel. Select the check-in and check-out dates. Now choose the number of travelers, adults or children. Then click on Search. You will see many hotel options. Scroll down and explore the choices. Click on any hotel that looks good to you. Now check the hotel details such as location, facilities, and reviews. Select a room and click on Reserve. Enter your details like full name and phone number. Then check the payment details carefully and confirm your booking. And that's it. Your flights and hotels are all booked together through Expedia, making your trip planning much easier. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and the latest Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.